So I had a pretty bad curve in my wall. So when I was putting these backsplashes on here, they just weren't going together well. So right here, let's see, I did some drywall fixing. So this curved out quite a bit here, and this piece is sitting more like that up against the wall, and it was really not close here. It was actually more like that. So it was either the backside would have stuck out a whole lot, or else this part right here would not have joined together very well. So I just marked the top of it, took a knife, cut it so that I could fit it into the wall a little bit. And now the joint is quite a bit straighter. It's still not perfect, but it's way better than it was. So if you run into something like that, which I do run into that fairly often when I'm doing countertops, this is one potential solution for a really bad bow in the wall.